Welcome FYMCA. In today's webcast, we are going to study what is Webminal. Actually, Webminal is an online terminal and programming IDE. So we are going to study how we can use this free GNU Linux online terminal and programming IDE. Already I have sent some videos to you, okay, in classroom, and that video is on how we can install the Ubuntu Linux on VirtualBox. So that in that video, you will study how you can install the Linux in VirtualBox, especially the Ubuntu, that version, how you can install that step by step. Everything is given in that video. You can refer that video and you can install the Linux on your computer, on your laptop. But if you want to avoid because of some problem or due to some other reason, if you want to avoid installing Linux on your laptop, you can use this online terminal programming IDE. Now how to use that I will show you in today's video. See, this website you have to follow. You need to type webminal.org. So whenever you will type webminal.org, you will get this terminal, and after that you will get this portal, and after that you have to register. So whenever you will go to the register page, you will observe that you need to give username, valid email address, because you need to verify that email address. Then you need to give the password, and then simply you have to register. So whenever you will fill all these things, activation email will be sent to your registered email, and afterwards whenever you will activate the email, you need to go to the login, and simply you have to, whatever the login given to you, you need to log in with the login username and password. So I have already registered with this site, so now I am login. So the email will be sent to your registered email, and there you have to activate your account. And see, there is one more video I have shared, and that video is how we can use this Webminal. Okay, so that video also I have shared on the classroom, that you can see, and then you can use this terminal. Now to go to the terminal, you have to click on the terminal. Now see, terminal is here, and I have to log in. Now see, for login I have a username, that is what the evaman123, that is already I am using, and password. Okay, so now I have logged into my root server. Okay, Webminal root. Okay, now so the Webminal root is in front of me, and I can try different commands on this particular terminal. Now how to do that? For that, see, here in this panel you will observe that there are lessons. The lessons are given. For example, lesson 1 to lesson 11, and then Python, and everything is given here. Okay, so you need to go to the lesson. For example, I will go to the lesson number 1. Okay, so everything that is basic commands to navigate directories, these things are in front of you, and you need to do practice only. For example, pwd, we know why we use pwd. I will type here pwd. Okay, so now see, pwd we use for to see what is the root directory is, correct? So now this is how we will view different commands. See, lesson number 1, pwd. Whenever we will press the whenever we type pwd and press, it will show what? It will show the directory where we are storing working directory, current working directory, where we are storing our files. Okay, so then there is one more command, that is mkdir. Why we use mkdir? To create directories. Okay, so suppose dir1 is the directory I want to create. I have to enter. Okay, already exists. I will change the name only. 4, mkdir4. Okay, so now see, the directory is created. How we can see, how we can view the a directory is created or not? There is one more command you will see in this listing, ls. Okay, so ls is the command we will use. See, directory 1, directory 2, directory 3, directory 4. These are the different directories we have already created. Okay, so these are some commands you need to practice. See, everything is given here. You need to only open the lesson and then you need to read what is the command for, and you need to do a practice in this terminal. Okay, so after this video I will give you a task, and the task is that you have to complete the 3 lessons at least. Lesson number 1, lesson number 2, lesson number 3. And after completing this 3 lessons, I am going to take a quiz on these 3 lessons. Is this clear to all of you? So now I am ending this screencast. I hope that this is very simple method to use Linux on your computer, on your laptop. If you are not familiar with how to install the virtual one and Linux and all that things, then you can use this simple Webminal. Okay, thank you very much.